This film explains how a health nutrition diet is developed and made at Royal Canin. Every single innovation achieved is based on the company's fundamental commitment to dog and cat first, a principle which is totally consistent with both the meaning and values of the brand's signature, knowledge and respect.
Understanding dogs and cats as comprehensively as possible at the different stages of their lives, depending on their breed and activity levels, is the continuous process carried out by the women and men in the Research and Development Department in order to develop nutritional solutions which respond precisely to the pet's various and specific needs.
In the same way that science constantly moves forward, Royal Canin's R&D teams are both dynamic and focused on its objectives. Their unique and original approach involves active partnerships with veterinary school and university networks, which leads to mutual enrichment.
The work of the R&D teams starts with the daily observation of dogs and cats. First of all, the kennel and the cattery provide the ideal resource for their close observation in their usual environment.
Added to this, the breeder network allows Royal Canin to access the expertise of professional dog and cat breeders. Constantly in contact with their animals, they are an invaluable source of information.
Spreading beyond this field-based network, Royal Canin dog and cat experts maintain permanent contact with breeders and professionals worldwide. In the same way, Royal Canin's customer services provide us with concrete and immediate consumer feedback as they are in daily contact with dog and cat owners.
All these observations are then put through rigorous and methodical scientific filtering to produce suggestions for nutritional solutions that the development, formulation, scientific support and pilot plants teams all strive to transform into new products.
The nutritional needs of any given animal living in Russia or in Argentina remain identical to those of the same animal, same breed, same lifestyle, living in China or in South Africa. This is why all Royal Canin products offer the same nutritional characteristics, regardless of where the food is produced.
What is truly complex in the formulation is to reach precisely the nutritional profile targeted using a portfolio of raw materials that may vary depending on the location of the production site.
Located on the Amargue campus in the south of France, Royal Canin's pilot plant is another significant R&D asset. Thanks to the research and trials carried out on site, the pilot plant plays an important part in the constant improvement of health nutrition.
Any new formula is approved thanks to a series of palatability and digestibility evaluations. These measurements are first run in the Royal Canin kennel and cattery, and then, in order to complete the observations, in the broader breeder network.
The same approval process is used for veterinary diets, with clinical assessments based on the specific pathology targeted by the diet. The partnerships built through all the research conducted along with universities or veterinary schools worldwide are thus taken to their natural conclusion.
Finally, the ultimate evaluation is performed in a real-life situation, that is, in the homes of private pet owners.
Guaranteeing consistent food quality and safety is the core mission of the purchasing, quality and food safety, and R&D departments. As technical experts in the food industry, the purchasing teams focus on the provision of quality nutrients. They are also committed to seeking out and developing new raw materials, as well as new production methods.
Quality controls are an integral part of the specifications imposed by Royal Canin to its suppliers, because only the finest raw materials will enable the production of high nutritional value food products. From raw material sourcing up to the ultimate packaging stage, sustainability is a fully integrated concept.
Royal Canin's industrial methods are at the service of the brand's fundamental requirements: nutritional precision, quality, and food safety, all for the benefit of the dogs' and cats' health. The same lean and efficient methods are used across 11 manufacturing sites in the world.
All these plants share the same company vision and industrial setup, thanks to identical equipment, methods, means of analysis, quality and safety standards, management, and staff training methods.
100% of the raw materials delivered to Royal Canin factories are controlled. Each factory has its own auto-control laboratory equipped with the latest high-tech diagnostic tools, such as near-infrared, chromatography, etc., to conduct a variety of analysis.
In order to ensure efficient traceability, a sample of each raw material is stored in the sampling library, where it is kept for 18 months, the product's shelf life. For optimal food safety, each factory's auto-control laboratories are organised as a network, further completed and strengthened by the central laboratory and by the satellite labs.
Health nutrition is characterized by the very precise and perfectly homogeneous combination of the large number of the highest quality and best adapted nutrients, all within the same formula. This explains why dosage weighing is a key phase.
Grinding plays a determining role in terms of palatability and digestibility, and it helps guarantee the availability of nutrients for dogs and cats.
The cooking extrusion stage transforms this mixture into kibbles. After having been subjected to high temperatures and pressure, the mixture then departs from the extruder via a trap, whose openings determine the final shape of the kibbles.
Operators carry out the necessary analyses and measurements to check the conformity of each new batch and make sure it complies with the particular specifications of each formula.
The kibbles then pass through a dryer and a cooler. The packaging phase is also of the utmost importance, as the nutritional value of the freshly made kibbles must be carefully preserved to best serve the interest of the dogs and cats that will eat them.
The vast range of product references requires a very strict monitoring of operations. Besides the many controls afforded by the cutting-edge technologies, man remains the main quality player. Eyes and experience are definitely irreplaceable.
At Royal Canin, all the manufacturing is run on lean production principles. The aim, of course, is to deliver customer satisfaction in accordance with the company's service standards, whilst keeping a rhythmic and continuous production.
The nutritional solutions developed by Royal Canin are manifold, as they respond to a vast variety of needs, albeit all with the same goal in mind. Our objective is both simple and complex: to improve the health and well-being of dogs and cats so that they can enjoy a good life for as long as possible.